Welcome to this video on the Visual Infusion Phlebitis, or VIP score. This is a simple bedside guide used by healthcare professionals to assess the safety of a peripheral IV cannula site based on the established Jackson VIP scale, which ranges from 0 to 5. The VIP score is a quick, practical tool for nurses and doctors to evaluate the skin surrounding an IV site. It helps determine in seconds whether a cannula is safe to remain in place or needs to be removed. Remember, prevention is key. A 10-second check helps protect the vein. A score of 0 indicates no phlebitis. The IV site appears healthy, and there are no signs of irritation. The recommended action is to simply observe the cannula and continue with routine monitoring. A score of 1 means slight phlebitis may be developing. The patient might report slight pain, or there may be slight redness near the site. The recommended action remains to continue observing the cannula, but keep a close watch and recheck the site soon. A score of 2 indicates mild phlebitis. Clinical signs include pain, redness, or swelling at the site, especially if 2 of these signs are present together. At this stage, the recommended action is to re-site the cannula. A score of 3 signifies moderate phlebitis. You may observe pain along the path of the cannula, along with redness and induration or hardened skin. The cannula must be re-sited, and treatment for the vein should be considered. A score of 4 indicates severe phlebitis. Signs include extensive pain, redness, induration, and a palpable venous cord, which feels hard and rope-like. This is a serious injury that requires prompt re-siting of the cannula and consideration of treatment. A score of 5 is very severe. This includes all the findings of score 4 plus pyrexia, or a fever above 38 degrees Celsius. This is a medical emergency for the vein and requires immediate treatment and re-siting of the cannula. To help remember these scores, use this simple mnemonic. 0 is nothing, 1 is 1 sign, 2 is 2 signs, 3 is PEI for pain, erythema, and induration, 4 is PEI plus a cord, and 5 is PEI plus a cord and fever. Remember the most important rule. A VIP score of 2 or higher equals phlebitis. Remove and re-site the cannula as soon as a score of 2 or more is observed. Scores of 0 to 1 are safe to observe, while scores of 4 to 5 require immediate intervention.